Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable comments on Instagram stories. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Instagram and then select your profile icon in the bottom right corner. And then once you're on your profile page, select the hamburger icon in the top right. And then scroll down underneath where it says how others can interact with you and select comments. Versus who can comment, select the stories section in here. And then you can select off just to turn off comments on your Instagram stories. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.